Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the customer support team for Ourtime dating platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and in the address bar type in ourtime.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ourtime website. Now from the home page, in order to contact the customer support team, simply scroll down and then click on help/FAQs. Now from the help page, scroll down a little bit and you will find the contact us section. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be able to find a link which says click here. If you just click on this link, you will be able to submit a request to the support team. Just type in your email address that you used to sign up for your Ourtime account, followed by your phone number. Then enter your first and last name, followed by your zip code. Now within the description box, you can simply type in your comment or query on whatever it is that you are contacting the customer support team with. You can also add a screenshot or any attachment that is relevant to your case by clicking on the Add File button. Finally, click on the Submit button, which will send your request to the support team. Now, once they have received your request, you will need to check your email to see what kind of response you have received. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the customer support team for the Ourtime app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.